How to add transitions in a CapCut video. So we can easily add transitions into any of our CapCut videos. How we do this is by first clicking on a video. And when we have a video that is split into two different sections like this here, that is how we can add a transition. You can see I've already added a transition in this one. I'm going to click on the middle of these two videos. There's going to be this white square. I'm going to click on that. So when I don't have a transition, you can see it's just going to be a line. So click on that, and then it's going to bring up all of my different transition options. We can click through, see which transition we like. Once we like it, we can click a check mark, and now it's going to give us that zigzag. So now the transition is added in, and that is how you add transitions on